Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Everyday Tesla Life. So, today I should probably just be in bed because I'm still not well. I've been sick for a while, but I just have to get out of bed because today they have the new Nissan Leaf on display in one of the shops here in Kristiansand, the dealerships. So, I thought we'll take a look at the brand new spanking Nissan Leaf 2018. So here we are, and let's go inside to see the new Nissan Leaf. So here it is, from the front, the new Nissan Leaf 2018. And I must say, it's quite a bit nicer than the old one. So here is the back. Quite spacious, I must say. There's a lot more room here than in the 2016-17 Leaf. But still, they have the Bose thing for the subwoofer on the floor like that, and it's just plain stupid. I just don't understand why they haven't found a better solution for that. They could have integrated that subwoofer better. But hey, that's how it is. People will buy this car like crazy, I'm sure. Just today they have sold 10 cars here, just today. So it's a popular car, and the last 6 weeks they have sold about 80-90 cars of the new Nissan Leaf. So let's quickly talk about what's new on the new Leaf versus the old one. Well, first of all, of course, the looks. And I must say, as I have said very many times, it is a nice car. And the other thing is, of course, that this one has a 40 kilowatt hour battery, and then they're talking about a 60 kilowatt hour battery later, sorry. So this one has a 40 kilowatt hour battery pack. Also, these sensors are new. It now has sensors all around the car, in addition to the 360 camera, which also was in the old Leaf, but now you have the ultrasonic sensors in addition. So the trunk is supposed to be the same size, except the wheel arches, no, you cannot see that now, but the wheel arches are smaller here, so that you have more space sidewise. And it has LED lighting, which the old one also had, but I must say these lights are a lot nicer than the boobs the old Leaf had. The car has Apple CarPlay, so that you can connect your mobile phone or your Apple to the car. And it has the Pro Pilot, after a while will park itself. It has adaptive cruise control. The old one did not have that, and it has a lane assist that will help you stay within your lane. This is the charging port. It's still CHAdeMO charged for supercharging. No, sorry. Rapid charging. That'll be here. But here it seems like it is Type 2. I'll have to check that if that's correct, because then they have, I would say, advanced. That's the European new standard, the Type 2, but I'll check. And here is the transport, and it does seem like it is a Type 2. And they said this is because now the new Leaf is also supposed to be used with the power grid, so that it can send electricity both ways. You can charge the car, but you will also be able to charge your home battery pack or use it on the electrical grid at home. That's a part of Nissan's new smart technology. So that's why it seems like they had to change the technology of the cable. So probably we will have a Type 2 charging on the new Nissan Leaf. At least this car has it. Another new feature that the Nissan Leaf has is what Nissan calls an innovative e-pedal, meaning that you can drive using only one pedal, accelerating when you press it and braking when you let go of that one pedal. How innovative it is, I'm not sure in Nissan, because the Teslas have had one pedal driving since they launched the Model S. So better late than never, I guess. Now this color is pearl white, and it's very nice, but the first edition that you can buy, the launch edition, comes in two colors, black or sort of greenish gray, they say. So probably seems like most have bought the black one. I spoke to a guy here who ordered his Leaf. He's getting it in March, and he said I will definitely go for the black one. And this displayed version is a Techno model, can be ordered from January. The launch model will not have leather seats, and of course only those two colors that I mentioned. So here's a Nissan cake and drink and hot dogs. Hey! So we'll have some Nissan hot dogs and Nissan cake. A new nice interior. There are a few elements here that are quite similar to the old Leaf. You can see that it's a Leaf and a Nissan, but the instrument cluster seems new, with a screen beside the speedometer, multifunctional steering wheel with buttons. Here is the Pilot, Nissan Pro Pilot for, well, yeah, it'll be like Tesla's auto steer, I guess. Eco buttons.
Thank you very much.
And yeah, I must say it's nice. It has some of the elements of the old Leaf and also quite a bit new elements. Another interesting thing is that I see they have gone back to the automatic parking brake. Before, on the first models, they also had this, and then afterwards they had a foot brake here for the parking brake. Now they have put it back here. Interesting. Comfortable seats. They sort of do remind me of the old Leaf. And the same lump in the middle here. I don't see why they have to have that, but it's there. Good seats. And well, I'm not a tall person, but I guess the seat in front is quite far back now. Good space inside too. But now I'm a small person, so I must say actually maybe a bit tight, considering when I sat in the back, I would have that much space, and I wouldn't have to take the seat too much forward. So we have got some Nissan cake, and we're now about to leave. Behind us, here's the old Leaf. We'll have to still get used to seeing those on the roads. There are a lot of Nissan Leaf, and they have very little problems actually, so that's why they are so popular. So maybe about 2-3 months before the first Leafs of the new version will be on the road. No, it'll be more. It'll be like 4 or 5 months. Yeah. So until then, we'll have to live with the old Leaf, which is still a very good car, I must say. But very exciting to be here today and see the new Nissan Leaf. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And please do follow on the YouTube channel Everyday Tesla Life for more EV related information, and of course from the Tesla Model X. Have a great day. Bye.